Hello friends. In previous lecture we have learned about the some letters of the government or public utility services department. In previous lecture we have learned about the two letters which are mainly used for the public utility services, and for that we have write any kind of complaint letter as well as the request letter for the same. Now in today's lecture we have also taken a short brief of the correspondence with the local organization, and the same for some topics we have learned about the local organization correspondence. Now onward this today's lecture we are going to learn the letters which are connected or corresponded with the local bodies. First one is the letter requesting the Khalkwa department to clean the cesspool. Cesspool means Khalkwa. It is a one kind of facility where the wastage water of the houses have arranged any kind of one kind of arrangement from where the wastage water of household are being executed, that is known as the cesspool. So here this person is writing an request letter. It is a one kind of complaint letter also for the cleaning of the cesspool. And now we have the some basic concepts for the same. Now the person who writes this type of letter, here we have to write a person's name is very necessary, because institute have some no issues for the same, but a person have might be a big issues. So as a letter writer we have to write a person's name is necessary. Here the person's name is Vipul Bhai Adesra, Sudama Vasahat Gandhipuru. Here Para is mentioned, but instead of Paru, Paru, or Para, whatever you want to write you can. Morbi, put full stop behind the pin code. Now here you have to make the changes for the same is also necessary. For example, phone number is mentioned, but instead of that you have to write a phone number is on the left side. So make changes that you have to write phone number from the left hand side. 22nd June is the date of the letter. The receiver of the letter is the president, Morbi Nagarpalika, or you can write Morbi municipality, Morbi, put full stop behind the pin code. Now subject is there, request for cleaning of cesspool. See, request letter is mentioned, but instead of that you can write a one kind of complaint letter. Sir is the salutation, and the first one paragraph is, we have been allotted houses in Sudama housing under the government schemes of the Garib Awas Yojana. See, Vipul Bhai brief his introduction in the starting of the letter that he had been allotted some houses in Sudama housing under the scheme of the Garib Awas Yojana. As there is no facility of drainage in this locality till this date, the arrangement of the liquid waste is made through the cesspool with the construction of the above mentioned housing scheme. See, here people have also mentioned that the while during the constructions of this Garib Awas Yojana and Sudama housing, at that time they have not arranged for the liquid wastages. So they have made one kind of arrangement where the house where the wastage of the houses can be executed very properly, and so that they have arranged a cesspool while during the constructions of the Sudama Vasahat, and till they have no drainage facility at this date, means the date of the letter. Now it is necessary to bring to your attention that to of late cesspools in our area are not being cleaned. See, now people by hesitate that and mention that it is now necessary to bring into your attention that the cesspool of their area are not being cleaned timely. As a result, the residential area stands a risk of the spreading of the epidemics very fast. See, here Vipulbhai also mentioned that they have some kind of uh, risk for the health because due to not cleaning of the cesspool, the risk of the spreading of epidemics can be high. It is possible that it may affect the public health adversely. See, people by hesitate that the due to this type of convention may the epidemics can be rise and the health of the public can be very in danger. All members of our housing scheme pay municipal taxes regularly. See, people by also mentioned the most important thing for the municipality is that the people of the Sudama housing are paying the municipal taxes regularly. A number of oral requests have been made for the cleaning of the cesspool, yet no measures have been taken by the authority. See, now it is necessary to complain in a written form. Why? Why it is necessary? Because Vipulbhai and the locality of the Sudam housing have made so many number of times oral requests to the authority, but the authority is inactive and they have not taken any kind of steps regarding this type of complaint. So now it is necessary to write in a written form and complain about the same. We request you to resolve this complaint as early as possible. See, people by also requesting that they are requesting that to solve this problem as soon as possible. If concrete steps in this regard are not being taken by the authority in the nearest future, the resident of our locality will be compelled for the agitations in the Gandhian way. See, here Vipulbhai have given a hint that if the authority had not taken any kind of steps regarding this complaint at that time, the locality of Sudama housing have to compulsorily go for the agitation, but in a Gandhian way. Gandhian way means they are non-violent, they are doing the agitation non-violently, not with the help of any kind of violence or any kind of casualties, but now they are going to agitation for the Gandhian way, means non-violence agitation. So here we will not write a thanking you because it is a one kind of complaint letter as well as yours faithfully and the person name is Vipulbhai Adesra. See, here the person has written this letter. So we are going to put his name at the last in a complimentary clause. Now enclosure copy of tax bill for the reference of the municipality and the respective authority. Vipulbhai and locality of the Sudam housing had attached a housing tax or whatever tax bill copies with this letter. Now the second letter is the letter related to allotment of land for the welfare purpose. See, now they want a land, piece of land for the welfare purposes. Here they are requesting for this type of facilities. So instead of writing a person's name, it is necessary to put any kind of institute's name is very necessary, because while writing this type of facility at that time it is necessary that you have to compel with this type of institutes, because person have no any ideas or no any limitations for the same. So here we have to write as a letter writer's name as a institute's name. Seva Kalyan Trust is the writer of this letter. Phone number is mentioned. Email ID is also mentioned. Address is the Shanti Chambers, Cha 5 Road. See, in Gandhinagar, the roads name are mentioned with the Barakshari as well as Kakhaga as well as 1, 2, 3 also, and sometimes they have mentioned the roads name on the with the combination of the Barakshari as well as the numerical form. So 5 is the road name, Gandhinagar, and here full stop is mentioned behind the pin code. Now, 22nd October is the date of the letter. The President, Gandhinagar Municipality, Gandhinagar, put full stop behind the pin code. Here full stop is not mentioned. So, subject is that allotment of land for the welfare services. See, here they have mentioned that they want land, but not in a profit way, but they want this type of land for the welfare purpose. Sir is the salutation. Now, the first paragraph. In first paragraph, Seva Kalyan Trust provide his brief introduction. We believe that you are well aware of the social activities of Seva Kalyan Trust, Gandhinagar. See, here they have put one kind of arrangement that the municipality is might be aware about the activities, means social activities. See, here the word social activities is mentioned, that it prefers that the person or this trust is not making any kind of profit activity, but they are doing a social activities of Seva Kalyan Trust, Gandhinagar. See, they believe that the municipality is well aware about the activities of the Seva Kalyan Trust. Since the last 50 years, our trust has been carrying out the various social activities such as de-addiction, literacy, women education with the selfless motive in Gandhinagar and in the area nearby the Gandhinagar, especially the rural areas. See, here they have mentioned the brief introduction of their social activities. This trust is making social activities, three type of social activities. First one is the de-addiction. They have arranged so many campaigns for the de-addiction of the public. Next one is the literacy. They are trying to provide an education. They are trying to give an education to the locality of the Gandhinagar or around the rural areas. And third one is the women education. Now they are putting very much confidence or concentrate for the education of women. So, and these all activities are done with the selfless motive in the Gandhinagar as well as the nearby of the Gandhinagar and in the rural areas nearby the Gandhinagar. So, Seva Kalyan Trust is doing these three type of activities. First one is the de-addiction, next one is the literacy, and the third one is the women education. Gandhinagar is a fast developing city with the changing borders. See, Seva Kalyan Trust has mentioned that the Gandhinagar is fast developing city with the changing of some borders. The opportunities offered are attracting people from the adjoining rural areas. See, the opportunities offered to the adjoining areas nearby the Gandhinagar. In the developing new areas, Gandhinagar, modern facilities such as dispensaries, schools, hotels, offices are available. But in this area, there is no library for the local people. See, they observe that in the developing new areas of the Gandhinagar city, they have observed that the modern facilities of the dispensaries, schools, hotels, offices are available. But the main facility is not available for the public of Gandhinagar. That is of the library. No library facility is there in the new developing area of the Gandhinagar. Our trust is interested in the initiating a library to make a children take interest in the reading, to create an environment for the reading for the educated youth, and to fulfill the need for the reading for the general public. See, this trust want to generate or want to build a library in the Gandhinagar and nearby areas. with the purpose of the making children in a interested in a reading concept. Next, their purpose is to create an environment, educated environment for the youth, educated youth, and for the elders. They want to make a library for the old age persons who can use this library as a time spent over there. Public library building to be constructed with the purpose of service. Our trust required 2500 square feet land in Sargasan area. See, near Seva Kalyan Trust mentioned their expectation that they have mentioned that they want to constructed the library with the purpose of this type of services, and for that purpose this trust wants 2500 square feet land in the Sargasan area. See, Sargasan is the specifically one kind of area's name in the Gandhinagar as well as in the rural area of the Gandhinagar. In Sargasan area, in survey number 235, the land of having the above size is lying just unproductive. See, Seva Kalyan Trust have observed that in the Sargasan area, survey number 235 have a land with unproductive purpose. There is no use of that particular land, and this land have a exact size as per the requirement of the Seva Kalyan Trust, that is of the 2500 square feet. We request you to allot the land in the service of the welfare of the public. See, Seva Kalyan Trust requesting that if this land is not in use, so they want to get this land and they want to construct the library for the same. The Seva Kalyan Trust Gandhinagar assures the Gandhinagar municipality that all required documents would be provided and the needful legal procedure compiled with. See, Seva Kalyan Trust also assures to the Gandhinagar municipality that whatever document Gandhinagar municipality want, they are ready to provide, and they are also ready to provide the legal procedure for the same. We expect the positive response from you. See, they want some positive response. See, here we are making a request for the land. So it is necessary that here we have to mention thanking you, and it is very necessary. So write it now, thanking you, yours faithfully. Instead of writing person's name, you have to write a ABCD, that is of the ABC or XYZ. Enclosure, here they have attached some documents for the reference of the Gandhinagar municipality. First one is the photocopy of the registration of trust. See, the trust is registered with the Gandhinagar municipality with the purpose of the social activities, and they are attaching a photocopy, that is of the Xerox copy of the registration of trust. Next one is the copies of the last 3 years audited report of the trust. See, here they have attached the audited copy of the trust reports, that is prove that the trust is working in a social activities, not in a profit way. A booklet giving information about the trust and its activities. See, they have attached one pamphlet for the same, and in this pamphlet they have brief information about the trust and the activities they are carried on. See, these 3 services which we have learned in the starting of the letter. First activity is the de-addiction, next one is the literacy, and next one is the women's education. See, these 3 activities are carried by this trust. So here they have attached a booklet or pamphlet for the same. with for the reference of the Gandhinagar municipality. Clear that? Now we are going to learn the next letter is of the letter regarding difficulties being faced due to encroachment of the carts and hawkers on public road of the city. See, this letter is most IMP from the point of view of the board examination. So mark it as per your requirement, and it may be asked in a 5-mark question, and it is a most IMP questions. Here they are writing a complaint letter for that the public faces some encroachment or difficulties through the carts and hawkers. Here we have to write a person's name as a letter writer, because institute have no any problem regarding this type of activities, but public have to faces so many problems. So as a letter writer we have to write a person's name, it is necessary. Email and mobile number is mentioned on the left hand side. The person's name is the Ankit Bhai Vyas, 201 Sukh Tower near Swaminarayan Temple, Kalawad Road, Rajkot. Here full stop is mentioned behind the pin code. 25th November 2017 is the date of the letter. The municipal commissioner is the receiver of the letter, Rajkot municipality, Rajkot, and put full stop behind the pin code. Here subject is mentioned that the difficulty is being faced due to encroachment of carts and hawkers on the roads. See, the difficulty is being faced by the public on due to the encroachment of the carts as well as hawkers on the public road. Sir is the salutation. Here the Ankit Bhai gives his brief introduction in the starting of the letter, that I am a resident of the highly prestigious Kalawad Road area of the Rajkot. See, Ankit Bhai state that he is a resident of the highly prestigious Kalawad Road at the Rajkot. As a citizen, I feel proud and happy because of the progress of our city in all walks of life. See, Ankit Bhai is very happy for the name or progress of the city in the state, and the Rajkot city is getting the good progress in the walk of life. But as an alert citizen, I would like to draw your attention towards some of the issues and problems of Rajkot city. See, Ankit Bhai present himself that he is an alert citizen, that and he want to draw an attention from towards some problems, some issues of Rajkot city. For the post some time, encroachment of carts and hawkers is increasing on the main areas of Rajkot city such as Kalawad Road, 132-foot Ring Road and Racecourse Road area. Here Ankit Bhai mentioned that for the some post time, means from the sometimes he observing that the encroachment of the carts and hawkers is increasing in the prestigious areas of the Rajkot city, that is of the Kalawad Road where Ankit Bhai lives. Second one is the 132-foot Ring Road, and next one is the Racecourse area. These three areas have a mainly problem of the encroachment of the carts as well as hawkers. As a result, footpaths are almost non-existent in this area. See, Ankit Bhai observed that the footpath where the public can walk very easily from the ahead of the traffic and the vehicles. See, here Ankit Bhai have observed that the footpath of this area are almost non-exist. See, almost or non-exist. It is only for the namesake that he caused the inconvenience for the pedestrians. See, Ankit Bhai also observed that due to the almost non-existence in this area, the pedestrians have so many inconvenience for the So many so many inconvenience are caused for the pedestrians. Pedestrians means the persons who are using the footpaths for their walking purpose. They are compelled to walk on the main road, which is not proper from both the security and safety point of view, and it result very often into the minor and major accident. See, due to almost non-existence of footpath, Ankit Bhai mentioned that the public have to compulsorily walk on the main road, and due to this, so many times the security and on the safety point of view, he mentioned that due to this type of encroachment and the non-existence of footpath, sometimes minor or major accidents may occur. See, minor accident can be some acceptable, but in some extent level. But major accident is not acceptable in any way. So this person Ankit Bhai Vyas is complaining that so many problems are inconvenienced to the pedestrian as well as the public of the uh, Rajkot city. Due to this encroachment on the public road, there is a reduction in the space for the vehicle users, and that has created the problem of traffic jams and parking. See, here Ankit Bhai have mentioned the second main problem due to encroachment, and that is of the reduction of the space of the vehicle users, and they have facing the problem of traffic jam as well as the parking. See, people of the Rajkot city have no any specific traffic place due to the encroachment of the carts and hawkers, and parking facility is also not available for the same. So Ankit Bhai is mentioning these two main problems, that is of the almost non-existence of the footpath, and due to that public have to walk on the main road. And next one is the problem of traffic jam as well as the parking. In addition to that, garbage and fleet is found on the road. See, due to the encroachment of the carts and hawkers, another next main problem is there, which arise due to the encroachment of the carts and hawker, and that is of the garbage and fleet found on the roads, and it is not a good sign on the basis of the public health. I draw your attention to remove the encroachment of carts and hawkers from the main road promptly in the interest of the public welfare and beautification of our city. See, as an alert citizen, Ankit Bhai Vyas has mentioned that he is drawing to attention to remove the encroachment of the carts and hawkers in the sake of the beautification of the city as well as the public welfare. If this type of steps should be not taken at that time, so many problems might be arise. So here Ankit Bhai Vyas is requesting or drawing attention towards this type of main problem. First one is the almost non-existence of the footpath and the walking on main road. Next one is the main problem is that the some accidents and the traffic jam as well as parking problem, and last one is the problem of the garbage and fleet. These three main problems identified by the Ankit Bhai Vyas and mentioned, or you can say draw attention towards this type of problems. Yours faithfully Ankit Bhai Vyas is mentioned over here. So students, today we have completed the CC chapter number 2 with these three letters. So I am requesting you all to kindly watch this video with very proper interest as well as some concentration. So might be it is possibility that you can get available to understand the scenario of this type of letters, and how to write this letter is very important. And while during the observing these videos, if you have any kind of problem at that time, you can ask for the same, but make sure you have to learn very carefully. So here we have completed CC chapter number 2. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much.